In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get pictures on PolyBuzz AI. We'll walk through the exact flow from finding the site to generating a finished image, keeping everything simple and clear so you can follow along the first time. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type PolyBuzz. Look for the official PolyBuzz AI result and click through to the website. A quick tip. Check that the URL ends with .ai so you know you're on the right page. Once you're on the site, find the Generate Image button and click it. Some pages show a prompt or a landing area first. If you see a second Generate Image button, click that one too to open the full image builder. Now it's time to define what you want. Begin by selecting your subject. You can choose a character or concept you have in mind. For example, you could pick Sanji if you're aiming for an anime-inspired result. Next, select a style. Fantasy is a great starting point, but feel free to try other styles later to compare results. Choose an age category for your subject. If you want a more defined, detailed look, picking something like mature man gives the model clearer guidance. After that, set the subject presence or emotion. Options such as smiling, crying, or shy will influence facial expression and overall mood, which can dramatically change the story your image tells. Add a gesture to give your subject action and personality, then select a pose to set the body position. Together, these help the AI frame your subject in a way that feels intentional and dynamic. If you'd like, choose a skin color to better match your vision. For instance, light skin might fit certain character designs or scenes. Continue by selecting accessories. These could be items like glasses, hats, or props that reinforce who your character is. Then pick visual components. Think of these as stylistic details and elements that enhance the look and depth of the image. Finally, choose a setting. Options like a library, bedroom, gym, or classroom can instantly place your subject in a coherent environment that supports your theme. When everything looks right, click Generate. Give it a moment to process. If the first result isn't quite what you imagined, tweak any of the options, style, pose, expression, or setting, and generate again until it matches your vision. That's the full process for getting pictures on PolyBuzz AI. Follow these choices in order and you'll have a polished image ready in just a few clicks.